Who is Param Vaishnav? Who is ultimate Vaishnav? Lord Shiva is the ultimate Vaishnav. Why? Because he is continuously Satyavratam Satyaparam Trisatyam Satyasya Yonim Nihitam Cha Satye Satyasya Satyamruta Satya Netra Satyatmakam Tvam Sharanam Prapannaha Atulita Baladhamam Hema Shailabhadeham Danujavana Krushanam Gnaninamagraganyam Sakala Gunanidhanam Vanaranam Adhisham Raghupati Priya Bhaktam Vatjatam Namami. Sarvebhyo Jai Shri Krishna Jai Siyaram. In the 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Mayyeva mana adatsva mayi buddhim niveshaya nivasishyasi mayyeva ata urdvam na samshayah. There is a very popular shlok of Sri Hanumanji which goes like this. Manojavam marutatullya vegam jitendriyam buddhimatam varishtham vatatmajam vanarayutha mukhyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. So the shlok which Lord Krishna was telling, in that first thing which is being mentioned is man. And the shlok which is being mentioned for Hanumanji, in that also Mano Java is being talked about. So mind is being talked about. Mayyeva mana adatsva Mano Java. So the first thing which is required in Bhakti Marg, that is on the path of devotion, is surrenderance of mind. If we perform actions but our mind is somewhere else, then the action is of no use. So first thing is our mind should be surrendered to God. Hanumanji, he was submitted to Ramchandraji through mind, speech and action by all the three ways. Before Hanumanji had met Ramchandraji, Hanumanji was completely involved in studying of the holy scriptures, in service of his parents, his teachers. And he was helping everyone. So, in the end, he was doing Satkarma. He was involved in Satkarma so much that Ram himself had come searching for him. Ahalyaji, who also was remembering Ramchandraji, was being searched by Ramchandraji herself. Ramchandraji himself had to come and liberate her. Then Shabariji, she was continuously remembering Ramchandraji for thousands of years. Then Shabri did not have to go in the forest and search for Ramchandraji. Ramchandraji himself had come searching for Shabriji. So first thing is surrenderance of mind. That is what Hanumanji has done. When for the first time Hanumanji and Ramchandraji had met, at that time Hanumanji had come to meet Ramchandraji in the form of a knowledgeable person, and he was discussing about Brahman, supreme consciousness. Then Hanumanji realized that what I am talking about, that person, that consciousness itself is standing in front of me. And he became very happy. Then comes speech. Mukham pavitram yadi ramanamam. Our speech gets purified by reciting Almighty's name. Hanumanji, he did not speak any useless things. He was continuously singing praises of Ramchandraji. When he had flown over the ocean and met Vibhishanaji for the first time in Lanka, at that time also he was singing praises of Ramchandraji. Vibhishanaji, who saw Hanumanji, Vibhishanaji asked Hanumanji, Hanuman, though I am chanting the name of Ramchandraji, but still will he accept me as I am the brother of a demon, Ravan? At that particular moment, Hanumanji starts singing the beautiful qualities and praises of his Almighty Ramchandraji. When Hanumanji met Sita ji, at that time also he was singing the praises of his Guru, his everything, Ramchandra ji. When Ravan had captured Hanumanji, at that time also Hanumanji had kept on saying good qualities about Ramchandra ji. Ravan was speaking very bad about Ramchandra ji. Still Hanumanji was firm and he had kept on singing praises of Ramchandra ji. For normal people, he was captured. But in a spiritual way, the person who sings the praises of Almighty, he cannot be captured by anything. So in front of Ravan also, Hanumanji had kept on singing praises of Ramchandra ji. And Ravan had to accept his mistake. Then, third thing which comes is action. In Gita ji, it is said, Swakarmana tamabhyarchya siddhim vindati manava. The best example of it is Sri Hanumanji. Hanumanji had wonderful qualities. He can take the giant form or a very small form. He can fly at a very high speed and he can do many miraculous things. But when did he use? Where did he use? He had used it for Ramchandra ji. He had flown over the ocean for Ramchandra ji. He had brought the Sanjeevani mountain and Sanjeevani medicine for Ramchandra ji and his brother Lakshman. On the other hand, Ravan, who had many powers, but he had done the bad use of it. He had used it for torturing everyone. So, action also becomes purified when it is being performed for Almighty. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, Vaishnavanam yatha Shambhu. Who is Param Vaishnav? Who is ultimate Vaishnav? Lord Shiva is the ultimate Vaishnav. Why? Because he is continuously remembering Sri Hari. Hanumanji, he is an avatar of Shivji and a Param Vaishnav also. And he has done everything which a Vaishnav should do in his life. So once again, wishing Hanumanji a very happy birthday. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.